Welcome to qnawire.
Okay, you've got some compounds. You need to figure out which are constitutional isomers. So there's this one. Okay, then you've got B, which I'll tell you right off the bat. B is not a constitutional isomer, and that is because it contains a ring. Right? So rings are sort of special because they will decrease the number of hydrogens by 2. So even if this had the same number of carbons as A, C, or D, it would have 2 less hydrogens, right? And the reason for that is that, like, consider propane, CH3 there, CH3 there, CH2 there. And now consider cyclopropane, CH2, CH2, CH2. Right? So from going from propane to cyclopropane, we lost 2 hydrogens. And that's true every time you make a ring. Therefore, it's impossible for B to be a constitutional isomer of any of the other ones with that ring structure. Okay, so let's look at C. C looks exactly the same as A. Nope, it's not. Okay, so the only difference between C and A is this carbon right there. Sorry, yeah, that's a C and A, yeah. Right? So it doesn't have the same amount of carbons, can't be constitutional isomers. So it's probably going to be D. Let's look at D. Okay, so what's different about, well, let's see, what's the same, right? We've got, oops. Let's see what I'm missing on C. Let me go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. Okay, so now we can look at what's different. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 carbons sticking off in a different place, and here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 carbons, right? So A and D are constitutional isomers. The answer is A and D. Right? Same number of carbons, same number of hydrogens, no rings. They are constitutional isomers. Okay, next one. We have got, this would be called N-pentane. This is 2-methylpentane. Oh, this is pentane. Right? I've just drawn pentane again. So it may not be immediately obvious, but this carbon and this carbon, it doesn't matter if you draw your next bond going up or down and to the right. Right? It actually doesn't represent a different molecule. These two molecules are actually identical. Right? Both of these are pentane. So which are the same compounds? The answer is E, 1 and